We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
The beauty of putting water in your trunk or your car and then forgetting it is that it's cold in the morning if it's winter, so lols. Alright, time for the haul. Green onion, rosemary, parsley, lemons, celery, so much green, carrots, chicken, chocolate cornflakes, you know. Hello. The gingerbread creamer, the whole reason we went out, realistically, right? Eggnog, because it was next to it and I like it. And chocolate chip cookies, because again, and a grapefruit. So that is what we got at the Trader Joe's. And let's prep some vegetables. Oh, I grabbed the wrong veggies anyways. Wow, that's hilarious. I was in, maybe I'll put in the reel that I may put together from some of the worst footage I've ever gotten in my life. People are very distracting. It's why I never went to Whole Foods, because like my anxiety was like crazy. And I'm not normally an anxious person like that, but like the way people were driving today made like zero sense. Alright. Holiday treats, or treats, just regular treats. We're gonna put these in the citrus area. And I'm not doing that thing where I'm gonna clean before I cook, because I'm just gonna fuck it up anyways, but let's get chopping. We've been shopping, let's get chopping. Whatever, what can you do? Hey Google, play the Wicked soundtrack.
Playing the album Wicked on Spotify.
Literally, I'm so sad about this right now. You're welcome, Josie. I want the movie soundtrack. This isn't even right. Hey Google, play the Wicked movie soundtrack.
Sure. Playing the album Wicked on Spotify.
No, you're not listening to me. Hey Google, play Dancing Through Life with Jonathan Bailey. If we must.
Playing Dancing Through Life from Wicked, original Broadway cast recording, 2003 on
right
Spotify.
now? Finnegan's just acting like, just like a total kook. What do you see that I don't see? Okay, I just don't know if you're just doing this to be suggestive or like... Okay, I'm gonna see you later, okay? Alright, good watching ya. That was funny.